Hello, guys. Welcome to the Behind the Scenes in Health YouTube channel. It's good to have you guys here. Finally, I've decided to start this channel for a couple of reasons. But by the way, my name is Dr. Ronald Kelechipe, popularly known as Dr. Ron, and I'll be your host and anchor on this channel. But occasionally, I'll be bringing in other persons for interviews, chats, live sessions. So, yeah, but most of the time, you're going to be seeing me here on this channel. So a little bit about myself. So I'm a medical doctor who is transitioning into tech bro. So basically I'm interested in health technology. How do we use tech to improve healthcare? So my interest actually spans across different disciplines like healthcare technologies, medical innovations, issues around patient care, and health content creation, right? So currently, doing a postgrad degree in health informatics to better inform me about what's the current trends are in the industry. So yeah, I currently trying to keep myself updated. Yeah, we'll talk about that later. So why this channel? A couple of reasons. First, I think it's fun doing videos talking about things that interest you, while also sharing value and providing solutions to issues people might have, especially I think when it comes to information about a lot of things in the healthcare space. Let's say, for example, people are looking for what are the opportunities that lie in the health tech space. People ask me, I can't code, but I want to, or I'm looking to pivot. What do I do, and all of that. So these are the kind of conversations that interest me. So yeah, I think it's fun to do that. Then secondly, I wanted to bring a video element to my podcast, which incidentally bears the same name, Behind the Scenes in Health. So yeah, a couple of persons have been pushing me. They need a video element of that. So that's why we are here, and I think I quite agree with them. So yeah, I think those are the two major reasons why I started this channel, and I hope to add value to all of you guys watching and listening. Then yeah, on this channel, we're going to be talking about a lot of things, a couple of things actually. I'm going to be taking a deep dive into the different health tech career options available. So we're literally going to break them down one after the other. There are tons of them. There are over 100 of them that every healthcare professional might want to look into, from health informatics, clinical informatics, to data analysis, to medical writing, a whole lot actually. Then yeah, for those still wanting to remain in the clinical setting, we're going to explore all of those in very, the minutest of details, really. Then we'll review medical applications. The health tech space is booming. There are a lot of apps there. Yeah, we're going to be looking through some of these apps and see what they do. And yeah, taking a deep dive at some of the companies that produce these things. Then we'll push a little bit to patient care, what's happening in the hospitals, how they're assessing care. Then once in a while we might bring persons to come and share their stories, probably how they're battling this illness or whatever, sort of inspire somebody out there, because that's one of the ultimate aims of this channel, having these conversations to inspire somebody out there, right? So these are some of the things I'll be bringing your way on this channel. So it's good to just hit the subscribe button down there and share with your friends and colleagues so that everybody is going to benefit from this. So apart from that, yeah, I think I mentioned it earlier that I'm going to bring in persons to chat with them, have interviews with them, share their stories, career advices, harsh realities, their regrets, and all of that. So it's really going to be very interesting. So yes, I'm a doctor, but this channel is not for doctors. It's actually for everyone, because I believe there's something for everyone on this channel. So Don't just restrict it to doctors alone. Everybody is welcome on this channel. So basically, that's me introducing this channel. Yeah, more is gonna come your way. So till I meet you again in the next video, I still remain Dr. Ron. So please, before you go, just hit the subscribe button down there, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.